What if I told you that you can buy more money with less money and make money on that money that you've bought? You would think bullshit. Well, give me 10 minutes of your time, and in exchange, I will share with you exactly how I'm doing this, completely automating this, and making payouts like this. In today's video, I've prepared something very saucy for you guys and a ton of value for you to receive. This website over here, which I will show you just in a bit, you can buy $1,250 for $79. You can also buy $2,500 for $120. You can buy $5,000 for $225. You can buy $80,000 for $3,460. No, this is not the dark web where we are going to be buying PayPal accounts and shady stuff like that. This is a real business called funded trading. Now, I figured out a way how you can go and automate these account sizes that you've bought to generate consistent profit and consistent return every single month. And I'm going to show you the results. Awesome people of YouTube, my name is Jay. I'm a full-time online entrepreneur and prop firm trader from South Africa that documents my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. For those of you that have been watching my channel for some time, you would know that I mostly speak about affiliate marketing, drop servicing, and e-com. In today's video, I decided to mix things up a bit. I'm going to introduce you to an automatic model that I use to run my funded accounts to generate consistent profit return every single month, and exactly how you can do this as well. Now, what exactly are you going to be doing? Well, you're going to go and automate all of your trades where you don't even have to learn trading yourself. You don't have to take any course. You don't have to learn any fundamental analysis. You're going to completely outsource your trades to a trading professional that trades ICT concepts. And it's super simple to do this. However, there is one catch. His premium group is a paid group. Here are some of his results from his trades. And I've been in his private group for the last couple of weeks, and at the moment we're in a very profitable trade on XAU USD. So coming over to his free group, last week he had a total return of 2 risk to reward. This means he risked 1% to make 2% on the account. On Monday, last week Tuesday, he made a total profit of 8 risk to reward, meaning he made 8% on a 2% risk. Wednesday, he made 15 risk to reward, meaning he made 15% on a 2% risk. Thursday was a break-even day. He didn't get into any trades. And Friday, he had a 2 risk to reward. Another day where he risked 1% to make 2%. So last week alone, just copying these trades, you could have made just under 20%. Now let's go and calculate this. Let's say you've got an $80,000 account. So let's take $80,000 and times this by 19%, which would have been the total return. That means you could have made $15,200 on this account just last week relying on his trades. And the reason why I'm recommending this group or believe in relying on other people's trades, his risk management is absolutely fantastic. He sends all of his trades in real time, such as this one over here, NASDAQ sell stop, and his entry, stop loss, and take profit is always a fantastic risk to reward, and it gives you time to set your limits to catch the trades with him. He then removed this limit, meaning this wasn't a valid trade anymore, so you delete that trade. Euro USD last week Friday, also break even, no trade executed. XAUSD, which was sent on February the 2nd, last week Friday, he entered and he caught 2 risk to reward. So this was his entry limit. He caught 2 risk to reward and came back to break even. Still a profitable trade. I'll take you through some of the trades from last week. He had a full runner on Euro USD, multiple runners on Euro USD, XAU USD, also a full runner. So his results are really fantastic. And you can plug in these trades to the live account that you've just bought from this website. Let's take a smaller account size. Let's go $1,250 account size multiplied by 19%. That is a $237 return on a really small account, and you've already made your $79 back. And the best thing about these live accounts, you don't have to pass any evaluation, you don't have to do any test. It's a live account off the bat that you're buying. So essentially, you're buying more money for less money. It's a really fantastic model because when you make money on this large account, this company takes a 20% cut of all of your profits. So therefore, you're making money, this company is making money, everybody is happy. And that is why funded trading has become such a sustainable model in 2024. But let's get started on how you can get started with this. The first website that you want to come over to is called instantfunding.io. I'll zoom it up on the screen over here and you can type that into your Google browser. If you go and scroll down, you will see over here they have 3 different models: instant funding, 1 phase, and a 2 phase. And also, just as a disclaimer, I'm not an affiliate for this website. I don't make any commissions of any sales of this website. This is not my website at all. So you can come over straight to the website and have a look for yourself. And they offer 3 different models: instant funding, 1 phase, and 2 phase. And what the difference means is, on a 1 phase, this means you first have to pass a test before you get your live account. And that test is you need to make 10% on a demo account just to prove to them that you are profitable before they give you the live account. And obviously over here you can see with the test, you can get much larger account sizes for a much cheaper price. So that's where you can go one of 2 ways with this. You can go and get the live account immediately, or you can get a 1 phase, for example, a $200,000 account for $925. But you need to make 10% on that account first before you get your $200,000 live account. And again, you can use those trades on your evaluation account from the same group to pass the challenge, and then use the same trades that he posts on this group on your funded account to be consistently profitable and to get consistent payouts. All you need to go and do is click on Start Trading over here, enter your details such as your country, and as you can see, every country is really accepted. Enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, your password, and confirm that. On the next page, you will then be prompted to choose your account size. You can go and choose any account size that you want. You then check out, pay for that account size. You will then receive login details that you need to enter on this platform over here called MetaTrader 4. Now you can either go and get this application on your phone, or you can go and get it on your PC. If you're a newbie to this platform, I recommend use your phone. It's much simpler to go and use, as also you have your phone with you 24/7. You can do this on the go, and you can simply hop onto your phone every time this trader sends a live trade to just copy and paste onto your MT4 account. He will send his trades in the following, for example, a Euro USD sell stop. Entry, stop loss, and take profits. Now what I'm going to do is, if you really don't know how to use MetaTrader 4 at all, I'm quickly going to refer you to another MetaTrader course, a really basic free course here on YouTube that will teach you how to execute buys and sells on this platform in a separate video down below. I'm not going to dive too much into that, but it's actually really super simple. On MT4, I'll leave an illustration here on the screen. You will simply see all of the currency pairs. This person on Telegram only really trades Euro USD, GBP USD, XA USD, and NAS 100. So those are the 4 pairs that you need to save. When he sends a live trade on his Telegram group, you click on that pair that he sent the trade for example, Euro USD. If he sent a sell limit, you place your sell limit, and you can then follow the trade, and he will also update you in his group. I also recommend risking only 1% per every trade that he takes. If you want to learn how to calculate that, you can come over to Google, go and search Forex Risk Calculator, click on the first link over here, Position Size Calculator. You can open up this tab over here. The currency, we're going to select USD. Account balance, you're going to enter the account balance that you've bought. So for example, the 1,250. You're going to go and enter your risk percentage, 1 lot, and your stop loss size. And to calculate your stop loss size, you need to come over to the Telegram group, have a look at his signal, and you need to go and subtract the entry from the stop loss. So we go take 1.08727, the entry limit over here, minus the stop loss, 1.08779. So this will then give you a number of 0.0052. So this means if you move this decimal up by 3 points, this is 5.2 pips. So therefore you need to come over to this website, click on 5.2 and click on calculate. Over here, you will see you need to use the standard lot of 0.24. So that will be your lot size that you enter over here to specifically risk 1% on the account. And this is super important because I don't want you to go into this, over leverage your accounts and blow your accounts. This group is a group that is focused on building at least anywhere between 5 and 20% return every single month. Therefore, every single trade you need to risk that fixed, secure, and safe percentage. So if you want to go and get access to this group, I will leave a link down below. It's a free Telegram group, or his initial free group. And if you want to get access to this paid group, you need to reach out to his personal Telegram, which you will find over here in the description of his free group. You will then get access to his premium group for just $70. Now, why is his premium group paid? His signals and his live trades is of the utmost highest quality and one of two of the best signal providers that I've seen on Telegram. And I've been through hundreds of them, and I know what green flags and red flags to look for. And this signal provider is full of green flags, simply because no limits and signals are manipulated. The results aren't manipulated. Everything is transparent. He posts everything and his weekly results for free in his free group for you to follow. So you can hop onto his free group. You can scroll months and months and months back and look at all of his previous results. Here was his results from January last year, where also he's still busy making anywhere between 5 and up to 15% per week. And there are going to be times where there are lost trades, but that's 100% fine, because that is where using the risk management calculator is going to keep you profitable. If you guys want to learn how to become an independent, consistent, and profitable trader yourself, as you may know, if you follow my Instagram, I'm a full-time prop firm trader off of YouTube. And this is my private community that costs $59, where you will get access to my entire full supply-demand structure SMC concepts course. Now, what I teach you here is ultimately the algorithm of how order flow and money moves in the markets. And I've created an entire 0 to 500K funded in 12 months program, which starts off at the start here and ends off at section 7, plus hundreds of hours of my live streams that I host with my members every single morning. So you can get one-on-one live stream access with me, marking up the charts, teaching you how to understand how price moves so that you can understand how to remain consistently profitable yourself and to maintain consistent payouts on your instant funded account. If you want to get access to this community, I will leave a link down below. It is a checkout of $59. But if you also want to get access to my more vague surface level course content, I do also have a free mentorship on YouTube, which I will leave a link down below in the description of this video as well. So I've given you multiple ways that you can approach this in getting your consistent payouts on your live account. You can either rely on other people's trades, specifically this person over here that I've now referred you to and broken down for you in this video, which ultimately keeps it nice and simple and will keep you nice and profitable if you're a busy person that doesn't have the time in their day to learn the skill of how to be independent at this yourself. Or if you do have the time in the day, and this is my preferred way, as there's nothing better than learning the skill yourself, simply because this is a high income skill that you're going to carry with you for the rest of your life. And over here you will see my markup and my full top-down analysis is posted every single morning of the specific pairs that I trade. Over here is my live stream access channel where you can hop onto live stream with me every morning at 8:30 GMT plus 2. So I'll leave this link down below in the description of this video if you want to get access to this. The information that I teach here, I've spent thousands of dollars through different mentors to find this information, to learn it and grasp it, and I've put it together in a very simple rule-based step-by-step course that makes it easier for you to understand. Now, there are members in this Discord that have done what I've done in 6 years in just a couple of months, because in today's era and world, it is much easier to get access to this type of information because of communities like this, like the one that I've created and like many others that exist. What I'm also going to do is I'm going to leave my entire playlist over here and the link to my second YouTube channel, which is just dedicated to trading and my prop firm trading mentorship, which is also free on that YouTube channel. So if you don't want to join this at all, it's 100% fine. I'll refer you over to my free YouTube channel mentorship over here, somewhere on the screen. So what I recommend you do is first go through this, and when you're ready, I'll see you in the inside over here. Take care, guys, and I'll see you in tomorrow morning's video.